Hi, in this video, I'll show you the process of searching with the latest LinkedIn interface. So this is the home page. If you click on the search square over here, you actually see several options. Click on people. Okay, you're going to get all of your connections that you have, and then you have the filters here. Okay, so click on the filters, and this is the interface that looks different than the one you saw in the previous video, but still accomplish the same thing. So click on first degree connection, place the string of people for the titles that you want, and then just put the location that you want, and then click on apply, and you will have all the people that you had in the search, and then everything else remains the same. You click on the message, and then you just type the person that you're doing the rocket referral session with. In this case, let's say I'm doing it with Lyndon Crow. So I would start typing this, and then I would click on that, and you have it, and there's the message. Okay, so everything else remains the same, just the interface looks a little different. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Enjoy an extraordinary day. Bye-bye.